I've been getting this question a number of times. That's how do I create a YouTube profile logo for my channel or for my brand? So in this particular video, I'm going to be showing you on how to create a YouTube channel profile logo for your brand or for your channel, which attracts clients into your channel, at the same time attract views into your channel. So without wasting my time, let's dive straight into the tutorial. So please pay attention to the Microsoft. Pay attention to the Microsoft. That is why I'm using mouse today. So make sure you pay attention and get the good out of this tutorial that I'm making for today. So what we need to do is we'll be deleting this text because we don't need it. So in creating a YouTube profile logo, the size of our canvas will be a square size, which we'll be choosing. So I'll be choosing a square size, which is 1024 by 1024, which is the width will be 1224, then the height will be 1024. So take note of that. That is one by one. So we have created our size, which is our canvas size. So what I want to do here to bring a circle, I want to bring a circle. So there are two ways to make a circle in Pixellab. One is to press here and then choose a circle here, or let me make it a square again. One is to drag this radius. One is to drag this radius to 100%. Then we have made a circle like that, which is the simplest and easiest way to do. So that is the two ways to make a circle in Pixellab. So please, if you need a tutorial on how the introduction to Pixellab, let me know in the comment section so that I'll make a video about that, because I've not made a video about that yet. But if you are demanding for the video, let me know in the comment section so that I'll make a video about that. So I've created a circle. Let's increase the circle small. So then we'll position the circle to the center. We'll position the circle to the center. We'll come to relative size. Then we'll position it to the center. So position it to the center. What we need to do is we are going to make this circle black. We are going to make this circle black. So we are going to be choosing a black color for this circle. So what we want is we want to duplicate this circle again. We want to duplicate it. Then you press on the circle. If you want to duplicate it, you press on the circle. Then you scroll. You scroll. You see this copy here. Then you copy it. Then we bring it here. So I'll be decreasing this circle. Then we'll position it to the center, as the way we position this one, but we are going to be making this circle white. So I'm replicating something from my design. So first of all, let me check what I'm doing is correct. So give me some minutes for me to bring my replicating tool so that I'll know whether I'm in the right path. So pay attention to the video very well. If you don't understand anything, watch the video again and again, and you'll be able to do the same as I did. So pay attention very well. So this is the image, the logo I'm replicating. I've created a tutorial about this logo. So if you need it, let me know in the comments, and then I'll pin it. I'll put it in your reply section, because my YouTube channel have not yet gotten an advanced option. So I'm not allowed to put any link in my description. So every link that I put is not clickable. So I've created this on my channel. So what we are going to be doing is our second shape, our second circle. So we'll be choosing our second circle, then we'll be giving it a color. for this one we are not going to give it black again. What we are doing is we are going to be giving it a different color. So let me just press here. We are going to be giving it a different color, which is this one. So then we increase it small, then we position it to the center as well. So everything you do here, make sure you position it to the center. If not, you find it difficult to insert it on your YouTube profile. So what we need to do is we copy this circle again. We are going to be making 3 circles. We copy this circle again, then this one too, we are going to be making it black again. So let me check my preference. Yes, we are going to be making it black again. So we come to colors again, then we'll be making it this one to black again, but we'll make sure we reduce this the size. So we position it to the center as well. So take note. I hope you are able to understand how far I've been here, because if you don't understand anything, make sure you watch this video 2 times or 3 times to understand it perfectly. So we have created our logo, and then what we need here is now our logo name, our brand name, which is also our channel name. So we'll come to text, which is we'll come to this place, we'll press on the plus sign, then we'll press on edit. So we'll delete this one. So let's say my channel name is Benimos Graphics. So I'll be writing Benimos. I'll write Benimos first, then I'll bring it here, then I'll increase the size small, position it to the center. Then I'll be using a font for this. So I'll be using font for this. I'll be using my font. I don't know whether you have the font, but make sure you can use any font of your choice, the one you like. So here I'll be using the bold font, which is this one. So I'll increase it. So what I'll be doing here is I'll make it bold. So then I'll position it to the center, come to relative size, position it to the center. So everything you do, make sure your logo is at the center, which is very, very important, because when you're setting it into your profile, you need all these things. So make sure you position it to the center. So let me check my preference and then know what I'm doing. So I'll be choosing a color for this text. I'll be choosing a color, which is this color here. So I'm not all that good at colors. It's not all the graphic designers that are good at colors. So don't think every graphic designer is good at colors, but since we are able to explore on the app, we are now visible to all those things. So every color we choose, we make sure it suits what we want before we put it. It's not that we are all good at colors. So what we need to do is, this text is not all that visible, so we'll be giving it a stroke. You come to stroke, then we on the stroke, then we come down, we make sure we increase the stroke small, we increase it to 5. So we increase it to 5, then we position it very, very well. Very well, so we come to So Benimos below it the motion. So what we need to do is we just copy this one, copy it, then we come to edit, then we make sure we delete this one, then we add in graphics. This is my channel name. You can choose the one that is your name, so it's not necessary to copy me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be changing this name. I'm going to be changing the color of this. So this one I'll be changing the color to white. So I'll change this one to white. So I'll be positioning it very well to make sure. Just make sure you are creative here. Everything I'm doing it for my preference. So you can also do your own for your preference as well. There's no need copying everything I'm doing. You can do what suits your brand as well. You can use your brand colors as well. This is not really my brand colors, but it's just for a tutorial sake. You can use your brand colors as well. So we just created a logo like that. So what we need to do is we make sure we merge all these layers here, so that it will not be able to move again. So we merge it together. You see, we merge everything together. You see, so we merge everything together. It will not be able to move again. So when you create finish, you make sure you merge it together, then you position it to the center again. So I'll be giving this background a white color. So I'll be giving this background a white color. I'll be giving this background a white color. So that is how to create a logo for your brand or for your channel. So if you gain value from this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Make sure to leave a comment, and then I'll see you in the next one. Until next time, peace.